Among its many sophisticated functions, 9CIRCLE EXT35 is expertly engineered to dissolve engine sludge with remarkable precision and care. Unlike conventional flush chemicals that rely on abrasive methods, EXT35 works by melting and dissolving harmful deposits, ensuring a thorough internal cleanse without scraping or risking damage. This advanced approach preserves the integrity of vital engine seals and metal surfaces, providing a safer and more effective solution for high-performance engines. By filling and priming even the finest internal gaps, EXT35 enhances compression rather than compromising it, supporting the seamless operation of finely tuned engines while avoiding the pitfalls of metal-to-metal contact or seal degradation. In addition to its sludge-dissolving capabilities, EXT35 eliminates water and moisture from the engine oil system, restores pliability and performance to valve rubber seals, shields metal components against wear and corrosion. The result is a refined, worry-free engine flush experience that delivers exceptional cleanliness, heightened efficiency, and optimal compression, preserving the exquisite performance your vehicle was designed to offer.